sprawl. Okay? So regardless of the sprawl, regardless of the heads up.
Heads up.
Okay, so you can get 2 points. Okay, why? Look, I should go for a shoot. Tapos, then make sure when I step this, my head is here. Okay, not here. Okay, my head is here. This. Okay, so I can get my easy 2 points. Then my easy 2 points. Okay, and last speed.
Oh.
You want to try? Okay, again. Shoot. When I step here, I put my head up. Then I go for the spin. Then look, my leg will go here. Then another spin. Then easy spin. Okay? It's not 3 seconds. Okay? If the referee see this, you're in danger, the referee will whoop.
Okay.
Stop it immediately.
Done.
3 seconds. When your back is on the mat, rotation to the mat, chair mat.
Okay.